Hey, what is up, everybody? CJ Hawkins here, and today I'm reacting to an AGP classic called The Angry Grandpa Washing Machine Repossessed. So, I guess this was back in the Trailwood years, and I guess Angry Grandpa wasn't able to make payments on his washing machine, I guess he bought, and they were there to repossess it and take it back. Oh, man. I can't wait to see this one. Oh man. I haven't watched this video in so long, and it just popped up on my feeds of hey, we highly recommend watching this video, and I thought, you know what, why not? Just for old time's sake. But anyways, guys, if you haven't today, make sure to like this video, subscribe today. If you haven't, follow me on all social media platforms down below the subscription box. And also, I got a video gaming channel. If you guys are into video games, old school and new school, the link is down below the subscription box on my gaming channel. Let's get right to the video.
What?
I'm here to get your washing machine.
Dad!
What?
Someone's here to get the washing machine.
What? What?
Washing machine.
Yeah, can I help you?
He's outside.
Tina, come here, quick. Come, hold him, back him up. Come here. The fuck is this shit?
He's coming.
What? The fuck's that truck doing here? The fuck's that truck doing here? Yeah, can I help you? Yeah, I'm here to pick up your washing machine. They told me I need what washing machine? The one you guys can't make payments on. Whoa, this shit broke down. That goddamn 2-3 months ago. I told you all. You should have come and got it there. I done threw it in the fucking dump. It's not my problem. It's in the fucking dump, I tell you. I'm picking that damn washing machine. I don't give a you ain't picking up a goddamn thing out of this motherfucking yard. Get your goddamn truck. You get your goddamn truck. You get the fuck out of my yard.
Splash me, Dad.
There's Bridget.
Man, fuck you. That water shit I threw in the dump. Go back and tell your goddamn boss. They call me, they tell me, don't worry about it.
You got T on the camera.
I don't give a shit. I want that washing machine. Get in your goddamn truck. No. This is my goddamn property. I want you fucking off of
Don't
it.
worry about it, Dad.
What?
He's just gotta get it.
I'm getting. You better get in that goddamn truck, you old motherfucker. You ain't getting it. You know, hey, I have. You ain't getting it. That's yours. Pick it up, put it in your truck, get out of here. Okay? I ain't telling you to get out of here. Where's that washing machine? Get out of here. This is my yard. Do what I got
Dad.
to do.
Dad, he's not taking it serious. You gotta just go.
My goddamn motherfucking yard.
Wow, he's got to escape through a skateboard at him. He's gonna call the police for assault hit.
You ain't got proof of that shit. Get out of here. Am I taking this stuff?
That shit.
Get your goddamn shoes go. There ain't no goddamn washing machine. I ain't got no damn washing machine.
Dad.
No, it's in the dump.
The washing machine's in the
It is the. Are you gonna help me carry it?
all hell.
Oh hell no! Allah, God.
We gotta give it to him. He's
That's
got
my
paperwork.
washing machine. It's in the dump. Read my goddamn. Can you? I don't care about no goddamn papers. You know what you can do with goddamn papers? You can watch motherfucking ass that shit. Okay?
Oh my god!
Goddamn! Get out of here! Get in your motherfucking truck. Let's go.
Oh man!
Michael, need that. We gotta get it. You're not getting that water. Ain't in there no more. I went to the dump. That's where I poured the goddamn Salvation Army. You probably bring the goddamn put the fuck out here. You ain't getting it. You understand me?
Dad, he's gonna bring the police.
Get in there. Call the police. I don't give who you call. Hey, I'll tell you. Come get it, motherfucker. Come get it. Seriously, you get it. Can you send some police cars, please? We're going to repossess a washing machine Go to hell away! Okay, thank you. Private property! Private, I'll be here in a minute. Oh, wait, I ain't gonna be here. Fuck you. Get out of here.
Oh my god!
Get out of here, Michael.
He didn't really take him seriously. Okay, so now we're going to react to Angry Grandpa Washing Machine Aftermath. And this was after the repossessed of Angry Grandpa's washing machine. So let's take a look at this video.
are you doing?
Oh.
Goddamn, thanks to you, fat son of a bitch.
He had to
All you
go.
had to do was took the goddamn motherfucking washing machine to the goddamn dump. Now I got no goddamn. I gotta wash my goddamn drawers.
Oh my God.
Wash his tidy
The
whities.
goddamn pool. This
Ew.
ain't worth a
Yeah,
fuck.
he was gonna get the
Oh, you
cops.
think?
I don't give a fuck about the cops. I got a goddamn motherfucker. Your goddamn fault. You had to help me lift it out of the goddamn house, man. The fuck is your problem? Goddamn, having to use the pool. What the fuck you looking at?
Something that I have to point out.
What
Jennifer.
You get the fuck away from me. Goddamn mother.
Shit stain. That's Jennifer, by the way.
Oh my God, there's stains in the drawer.
Well, I can't get them out.
You ain't well, you're doing very good washing.
Let me tell you one motherfucking thing.
How much is the bill for that piece of crap?
We only owe $50 more on it, motherfucker.
Then why don't you just pay it?
I ain't got $50. If I got $50 on a goddamn piece of motherfucker.
Michael
I ain't
fell.
got $50. No, you, Mr. Big Shit, I have to carry it out, sir. You remind me of goddamn Step and Fetch.
Either that or you go to jail.
I'd have gone to jail. They wouldn't have gotten the goddamn washer.
Oh, they still would have.
Stupid goddamn piece of fuck. Better than you do.
He's getting the pool ladder.
You have to wash the shirt over.
That was so hard to. Yeah, you rewash that shirt now.
What the fuck? I'm washing the goddamn pool anyway. You goddamn
Whoa!
Whoa!
Next time don't you offer shit. We done still had the motherfucking washing machine. You goddamn piece of motherfucking shit. We done still had the goddamn washing machine. Now, here I am to take it out. You step and fetch motherfucker.
Would you stop, please?
Beat your motherfucking ass. Tell you that right goddamn now. You understand me, motherfucker? Don't you volunteer that.
Oh, my God.
Goddamn black-haired mother.
Black hair mother effer.
Crazy. Whoa.
Yo.
I hate you.
I always keep my clothes to the
That's Jennifer,
Yeah,
by
we
the
go to
way.
a laundromat.
I ain't got nobody with goddamn laundry. We gotta wash them in the pool.
It's
Here, give me your
cheaper.
goddamn shirt. Whoa.
Yeah.
Goddamn shirt. I'll wash that motherfucker too.
Hey! Oh, God! The eye!
Hey.
Now I gotta rewash the goddamn shirt. Goddamn. What the fuck you got? You can turn that goddamn camera. Motherfucker.
Damn it, Jenny. Hold the camera.
Right now. How do I get the stains out my drawer?
I don't know.
Goddamn. Look at them goddamn motherfuckers.
You gotta scrub those out.
Yeah. Oh my
Throw it
God.
away.
You want
Might
somebody
as
to live
well.
right?
No, not now.
Get out of my goddamn sight. I've had enough. Turn that motherfucker off.
Seriously, you gotta just go get a new washing machine.
Ain't got the money, you dumb fuck. How hard is it to understand?
Just go look at the dump. I'm sure they're gonna throw the one they took back.
Goddamn lightning wiped out all the shit we fucking had, got no money. Tell you what,
My computer still works.
mine don't, mine blew up.
Damn.
Motherfucker. By the way, where'd you get the new camera?
I get paid. If you would have told me we owed on a washing machine, I would have given you the money.
He's mad.
Here.
What the heck?
Whoa! What did he throw?
Calm down, please.
You ate
What is that thing?
gorilla.
A bicycle. Oh man, he was mad. Oh, those are some all-time AGP classics. There are some all-time classics. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. I hope everybody enjoyed those 2 videos. Like, subscribe, and favorite. I'm CJ Hawkins, and I'm out of here. See ya.